Greetings, salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Welcome to a new video. Today, we're gonna do an unboxing of a bunch of stuff that I just got in the mail. So I'm super duper excited to show you guys this really cool stuff that I found. Some of the stuff is just like for my handbag rehabs, but what I opened you guys will be excited for because I think a lot of you guys are excited for a particular handbag rehab that I'm gonna do on my Givenchy bag. So I think the stuff for that came, and some other goodies as well that I ordered. Some of these things I ordered like around Christmas and New Year's, and they finally just arrived, so I'm very excited about that. So if you guys like thrifting and handbag rehabs and vlogs, definitely subscribe to the channel so you'll be updated when I do post videos. And I do post videos every single day at 8 AM Pacific Standard Time. And recently I've been doing daily vlogs as well, which go up at 6 PM Pacific Standard Time. And I'm like waving this box cutter around. Thank goodness the blade is inside. You have to like push it out. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. So here's the first thing I have right here. Now this one I'm pretty sure is just a this one is from Amazon, so it's just, I don't know which item it is though, but yeah, awesome. This stuff is amazing. So if you guys ever wonder where I get my leather lotion from, I get it from Amazon. I have all the links down below too for any of the items that I have in my arsenal for handbag rehabs. My leather conditioners, my acrylic paints, and leather dyes and all that stuff. I have all the links down below for like the suppliers that I think like do the provide like the best and freshest quality items, and I think most of them are from like the actual makers of the items. So this one was a great deal. You could get 2 of these, I think, for like, I want to say like $10, I think. Whereas when you buy one, I think it's like $6 or $7. So I thought that was a good deal for 2. And I always buy 2 every time I get those. And this is the other. Why is this like kind of heavy? I think this is mine. Hopefully. Everyone's like linked to my account, so sometimes, oh, okay. This isn't the other thing that I thought it was. This is actually duct tape. I needed more for my packages that I mail out, so I guess the other thing that I ordered has not yet arrived, but that's fine. I'm gonna start off, ooh, I have 3 things. Okay, so I have these 3 things, and these are all handbags. So let's start off with a small like paper one, I guess. Now this one I actually got from Poshmark, so I actually know what this is. So but you guys will be excited to see it when I open it. And I don't even think I filmed anything about this when I bought it. Like lately I have been, but when I saw this I didn't even think, because I made an offer on it and I didn't know whether or not they would accept, and they did. So here it is. It came in this cute little dust bag. So Proenza Schooler. It is gorgeous. It's so cute. So this is the Proenza. It smells kind of like bubblegum. This is the Proenza Mini. So it's a little bit smaller than the pouch. The pouch is a little bit more square. This is definitely more rectangular. And like the pockets in the back differ just a little bit. So cute. It's gray with silver hardware. Oh, and it still has the little Proenza Schooler card and everything. This little tag. 009. It's so cute. 009, that's really new. Usually like the older bags have like the little cursive P Proenza. This one actually says Proenza Schooler underneath. So this one, and it's 009. So it's definitely a newer model. So I'm super excited for this. I love Proenza Schooler bags so much. As you guys can tell, I have a pretty good Proenza Schooler collection going on. And I have a couple pouches already, and this is gonna be my first mini that I've added to the collection. And it's in really great shape. It does look like it has like a couple little, I think they're stains. So I think I can get them out. But the bag is so cute, and I I just love it. And it looks like there's a, okay, it's a little gross that there's someone's blonde hair in it, but that's fine. We'll just take that out. But it's so cute, you guys. I'm so excited. And it came with a dust bag and everything. And I know a lot of you guys are going to ask me how much I got this for. I did get it for a steal because this was only $200 and the condition is amazing. It's like new, it's authentic, and Princess Schooler dust bag and everything. I'm so excited. Okay, so the next thing, I don't even need a box for this, I think. Yeah, I can pull it right now. So I have, it's in this box. And this one, the last two items I did get from eBay. Yes, and I had to bid on them. And at the time that I do need a box cutter. At the time that I was bidding on them, I didn't have my camera with me. Or like, it was kind of like a last minute type of deal, and yeah, so, you know, when something's gonna end on eBay, you gotta drop everything at that moment and try to win it at a good price. And I know there's like a service that you can use or something, then they'll bid for you. But I kind of like being in the moment, and sometimes my bid will go up a little bit higher than my initial like thing that I'm telling myself that I'm going to spend. So there's always like the amount that you tell yourself you're going to spend, and then there's the amount that you're willing to spend when you're in the moment, and then there's the amount that you wish you spent. And you just gotta hope that all those things kind of line up a little bit, otherwise sometimes you go a little crazy. It looks like they put it in another one of these priority mail bags, which I kind of like that they put it in a little puffy bag. The other bag kind of just came in one of these plastic bags that wasn't even padded, and I was like, oh, it's like gonna be super squished. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up with you guys. And it is, okay, so I know that it is not actually a Saint Laurent. She just said that she was gonna put it in this dust bag for me because she didn't have the actual dust bag anymore because it was lost, but how exciting. Okay, so this is not the, this is actually the pouch. So the pouch, I know it's a little hard to see with the tassels, but it's definitely a smaller bag. This one's definitely a smaller bag, and this one is a lot larger. And this one doesn't have a zipper pocket in the back, whereas this one does. She was not lying about the condition of this bag. Like, even the hardware, like, doesn't really, like, it doesn't have any scratches. And this hardware scratches, like, pretty easily. Well, not easily, but it's easy to scratch it because of how it is. There's the strap. Oh, this one is also a newer one too, because it says Princess Schooler on the bottom instead of the cursive P. And then we're going to look at this little tab right here, and underneath it's a... there's the number. I can't really read it. 002. Oh, how cute! Okay, guys, like, literally, I am dying for this bag. You know how I love a good fringe, and this is like fringy and fun, and I like how it's tied. I love it when they're tied like this, because I like the straps shorter. So, oh my gosh, you guys, this bag is literally so cute. And I know you must be thinking I'm going crazy because I'm just buying up all these Proenza bags, but this one was an amazing deal, and this one was also $200. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm literally so excited. I don't know why I'm whispering, but it still has like all the little things on it. It has like the little tassel, just like the other one, the little Proenza Schooler thing on the side. All the hardware is like in impeccable shape. I love like the gun, it's like a almost like a brushed gunmetal color too, which is beautiful. And I just love the pouch so much, and I love these little tassels. Like, I don't even know if I'm actually going to be using these bags myself, or if I'm going to put them up for sale, or use, like, give them as a gift or something, but, like, they were just really good deals, and I know that if, like, anything, I can always resell them as well. So, this is just a beautiful bag. And I don't know, I've always wanted one of these tassel-y ones, even though I don't know if I'll probably use this, I think. It's really, really cute. I don't know why I'm holding it so high, but it's such a cute bag. So I'm very excited. And I have like a little Saint Laurent dust bag now. Okay, so I have one last item right here. I kind of like this box that it comes in. Anyway, so I do like that you just have to open it up. It has like a little thing right there, which is kind of cool. I think this is like a box that was used for something else, but I mean, I love that. I love reusing boxes. I think it's a great way to save the environment. But okay, that's how that opens. And inside is this bag. And it's another dust bag that's black. This one is not a Saint Laurent one that says, you can see on there Alexander Wang. Everything is so deceptive that I've been getting after that Provenza, because inside of this bag is it's beautiful. It's so, oh my gosh, it's even more yellow than I honestly thought it was gonna be. In the photos it looked a little bit more like a lemon yellow. This is like a bright, like neon highlighter yellow, which actually I am really digging. Now this one I got for, so this one, like, this is the other kind of strap, like thing underneath, like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like the cursive P. 007. And I don't know what the deal is with like the cursive P's and like the number inside, because like the numbers, like sometimes the Provenza, like the things like don't coincide necessarily, so I don't really know about like the hardware situation. But this one is also an authentic piece. It is so gorgeous, you guys. I love, like, first of all, I'm obsessed with the color. And you know that I'm already obsessed with this style of bag. And I wanted a medium because I have the large. And I had the extra large, but I did end up selling it. Though I feel like I do want another extra large, like maybe in the future. But that one had a loose clasp and it was literally killing me. So I just sold it because I bought it and I already knew that the clasp was loose. And of course I put it in the listing that it had a loose clasp. But it was just like bothering me that it was loose and I couldn't fix it. And I just like sold it. But I love that the hardware is like a copper color. And I think it's so pretty. I love everything about it. It's so gorgeous and it's in really great condition, just like they said. All these bags are in really great shape. I'm honestly like really excited right now. And I am going to start using this little yellow one like right now. It's literally so cute. Probably can't even see it. Look how cute that is. I love how it sits up on my back too. But it's so cute. You guys, I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is my handbag haul. I just bought a ton of Provenza bags. And each one of them cost only $200. I want each of them for $200. These two, the black one and the yellow one, again, I bid on eBay. And I got them for the low price of $200 each. And then this one I got on Poshmark for $200. So that is amazing. So I did spend a little bit of money, $600, but to get 3 bags, that's like not even, that's like a fraction of the regular price of one of these bags. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, this wasn't meant to like show off or anything. I was just really excited. I love unboxing videos and I love watching people's reactions when they unbox things. I think it's so fun. And I know a lot of you guys enjoy that too, because you guys have told me that you enjoyed the unboxing videos. So I haven't done one in a while and I just got like a big amount of stuff all at once. And for some reason, at the end of the year, I always go crazy like on eBay. Like people just like list things and they'll like, you know, especially on eBay, I like to bid like around the holidays because I feel like a lot of people are too busy to like check the listings or like to check the listing that they're watching or something. So I always feel like that's always the time you can get a really good discount, and I really don't really find myself shopping on eBay any other time than around Christmas and New Year's. So I don't know if that's like an actual thing. I feel like it might just be something that I feel is true, but I don't know. But thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. I'm having so much fun on this channel, and recently I just got to 10,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. Our family has grown so much since this channel first started, and I am above and beyond like blown away that 10,000, like that's a lot. And I don't know, like I'm just really happy that you guys enjoy the video and the content. And this year for 2018, I'm definitely gonna try and step up my game as far as like the videos and the content and stuff. So stay tuned for that. I love you guys so much. And if you guys are new to the channel, or if you've never like commented, say hi down below. I love talking to you guys. And let's chat. Look at the little YOLO horse. You only live once. Right, Eliza?
Is it a horse or is that a dog? It looks like a...
It's a horse.
It's like a combo.
It doesn't have any hair though.
That's
and that one,
bizarre.
That one's the Canadian Where's Waldo.
He is. Oh my gosh, he is the Canadian Where's Waldo. Yeah, representing. Maybe he is from Canada.
Representing Canada. Whoa.
Oh, his body's on backwards. How odd. Why are his shoes on backwards?